In today's video, I'll teach you how to generate Facebook page QR code. First of all, open the Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. You can simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the top of your screen. After you do that, what you have to do is simply search for QR code. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this option for QR code and tap on it. After you do that, you'll be able to scan the QR codes, or you can also share your personal QR code with others. But for most of the users, this option will not be accessible. So in that case, what you can do is simply try using the third-party application or site. For that, first of all, go back. Now tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top. After you do that, tap on the three dots that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is find this section for share and tap on this option paste link. Now the link of this page will be copied. Now what you have to do is open any browser of your choice. Once you do that, tap on the search bar. After you do that, what you have to do is search for QR code generator. Now you'll be able to see various results over here. You can simply tap on any generator of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option generator QR. Now if you also selected this site, what you have to do is tap on this option for URL. Now you'll be able to create a QR code with the link. You can simply enter the QR code name if you want. This is completely optional. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on the field of link. Now paste the link that we copied earlier. You can do it from the clipboard. Now after you do that, tap on this option customize and download QR that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. A QR code will be generated for you. You can customize it. You can customize the QR pattern, logo, outer and inner eyes, etc. Now once you do that, what you have to do is simply select the format and size. You can simply do it according to your choice. After you're done, tap on this option download. Now wait for a while and it will be downloaded. You can tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option downloads. Now you'll be able to see your Facebook page QR code over here. If somebody scans this QR code, they'll be redirected to your Facebook page. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you generate Facebook page QR code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.